Em dic Ella, soc americana de Los Angeles i soc estudiant universitària.
I'm sorry, can you please ho pots repetir, sisplau?
Un llibre de la Joana Raspall.
Yeah, I really like her. And I thought reading her would be like a good way to learn Catalan.